Unleash the welding wizard in you with the best Flux Core Welders. For both seasoned pros and DI enthusiasts, we've scoured the market to bring you the top performers. From powerhouse brands to budget-friendly options, we've got your welding dreams covered. Dive into the world of seamless joins and molten mastery. Check out the links in the description box for your ticket to welding excellence. YESWELDER Flux Core Welder. The YESWELDER Flux Core Welder is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine that delivers up to 135 amps, allowing welding of mild steel up to 5 inches thick. With gasless MIG, stick, and lift TIG capabilities, it offers flexibility for various applications. The automatic voltage and wire feeding speed adjustments simplify operation, ensuring a seamless welding experience. Weighing only 11.4 lbs, it's lightweight and portable, suitable for any workspace. The package includes essential accessories like a MIG gun, ground clamp, and electrode holder, providing a comprehensive welding solution. TOOLIOM Flux Core Welder. The TOOLIOM Flux Core Welder stands out as a versatile 3-in-1 welding apparatus, proficient in managing flux MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding processes. Boasting a 135 A output current, this welder effortlessly joins mild steel with a thickness of up to a ½ inch. Its versatility extends to MMI, lift TIG, and flux MIG processes, making it suitable for welding various materials such as stainless steel and carbon steel. Operating on a standard 110 V household current, it offers convenience and portability for different welding projects. The machine is designed to handle 2-pound rolls of wire, ensuring versatility in your welding tasks. ARCCAPTAIN Flux Core Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN Flux Core Welder is an advanced 3-in-1 welding device featuring synergic control, which automatically adjusts current and wire feeding speed in alignment with the chosen welding wire diameter, featuring modes tailored for flux core gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMR. This welding machine caters to a wide range of welding requirements. Safety features include overcurrent protection and overvoltage function. Weighing 11.79 pounds, it's portable and compact, equipped with a handle and shoulder strap. The package includes essential accessories, making it convenient for immediate use. Backed by a 2-year warranty, it ensures reliability for welding enthusiasts. AZZUNO Flux Core Welder. The AZZUNO Flux Core Welder is a user-friendly welding machine with a voltage control knob and wire speed adjustment for easy operation. This 130 welder can handle mild steel up to 3.0 thick, providing ample power for various welding tasks. It's equipped with overload and overheating protection. It ensures safe and efficient welding. Weighing only 8.7 lbs, it's incredibly portable, featuring a compact design and comfortable hand grip, suitable for beginners and DI enthusiasts. It comes with a package that includes essential accessories, offering a comprehensive solution for welding needs. Lincoln Electric Flux Core Welder. The Lincoln Electric Flux Core Welder is a portable and efficient welding solution, delivering 90 amps of power with a 120 V inverter power source. Designed for easy operation, it is lightweight and comes with a shoulder strap, ideal for maintenance and mobile welders. Featuring automatic thermal protection and easy-to-turn control knobs, it ensures a smooth and controlled welding experience. Suitable for small welding jobs, DIY projects, and home repairs, it offers infinite welding voltage adjustment for fine-tuning weld characteristics. With a 30-duty cycle at 80 amp, it provides reliability and performance for various welding applications. Forge a path of seamless craftsmanship with the best Flux Core Welders by your side. Ignite your welding journey where precision meets power, creating bonds that withstand the test of time.